Good morning, children. Again, we are continuing the same chapter, chapter 12, Algebraic Expressions. Last class, we have seen like terms and unlike terms. I already told you that I'll bring some more examples. So, for thoroughly, we must learn about like and unlike terms, because once you learned this only, we can do the operation of algebraic expressions. So, the today's example start with minus 4ab and 7ab. So, what is the first step? Means write the factors minus 4 comma a comma b. 7ab, what is the factors? 7 comma a comma b. Now the question is that what is the algebraic factors? Algebraic factors ab here, ab here, so same only, so we'll write same here. If the algebraic factors are same, they are called like terms. Right? Now the second question, 6x square y square, the factors will be 6 comma x square means x comma x, y square means y comma y. Again 9x square y square, 9 comma x, y comma y, that means y square. Right? Now check the algebraic factors, x 2 times, y 2 times. Here also x 2 times, y 2 times. So the factors are same, hence they are called as like terms. When we are comparing, we are ignoring the numerical coefficients. We are only comparing which part? Algebraic factor part. Now the question is 10pq square. So the factors will be 10p. Q square means q and q, right? Now the next pair of this group is 5q square p. So 5q p. Now you check whether this algebraic factor is same or not. P one time, here also one time we can see. Q two times, here also q time, two times only, but the order is different. Here we know that q is coming second, this time here q is coming first, only that is the difference. As you know that the multiplication of a multiplication is a commutative property. 3 into 4 equal to 4 into 3. Also we can write, right? 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. In the same way, p into q is same as q into p also. So what is the meaning of this one? We can write the same algebraic factors. See that p one time, q two times. Here also q two times, p one time. Only order is different, but the factors are same. So hence they are called like terms. One more example from the same pattern we can see. So what are the factors here? 6xy square, 6 comma x comma y square, y 2 times. Similarly 2y square x 2, I'll write the factors are y square means y 2 times and x. Here also you can see that the order is different, but the variables are same. X 1 time, y 2 times in both the case. So we can write the algebraic factors are same, hence we can call it as a like terms. Right? So here we have seen that like terms means algebraic factors are same. What are the steps to remember for like and unlike terms? What is the step? We should ignore the numerical coefficients. We won't consider what is the numerical coefficient. Check the variables on the algebraic part of the term are same. If they same with the same power, then they terms are like terms. Then the terms are like terms. What we have to say? We have to check the variables of the algebraic part of the term. Variables we should check, and variables what we should check? Power we should check. If they happen to be same, they are called like terms. Otherwise they are unlike terms. Now two things do not matter. We can neglect these two things. What are the numerical coefficient of the term and the order in which the variables are multiplied? I told this already while doing the expansion. What we should neglect it? Numerical coefficient and the order. So like terms, you should realize the concept correctly. Then only we can learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions easily. Next topic, monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. An expression with only one term is called a monomial. Means mono means one only, and in an expression there is only one term, then we are calling it as a monomial. See the examples. What is the example for monomial? 7xy, the first example. We are not adding or subtracting anything to 7xy. 7xy is the only one term. So one term means it is an example for monomial. Another example, 3pq. Again you can see only one term is there. We are not adding or subtracting anything from this one, so we are getting only one term, so it is also an example for monomial. Minus 5m, again this is also monomial only. 10m square n square, another example for monomial. So just xy, if you write 100x square you write, then x square y we can write. Like that we can write a single term, then we can call it as a monomial. What is the definition of a monomial? An expression with only one term is called as a monomial. An expression with only one term is called a monomial. An expression which contains two terms. Now we are learning about two terms, means is called a binomial. By itself meaning is two, so two terms. Here in textbook it is mentioned two unlike terms. Just if they get given two terms also, we can call it as a binomial. Let us see the example. 5x, it's a monomial. I'm adding 2 to this one, so we are getting first term and the second term. So how many terms are there? Two terms, so it is called a binomial. Another example, I have written xy plus 3. xy is a monomial and we added 3 to this one, so two terms we are getting. It is also another example for monomial. ab plus b, I'm adding b to ab, so how many terms you are having? First term and the second term, so two terms are there. It is also an example for binomial. Now I'll give another example which is not a binomial. See, x plus y plus 7, how many terms are there? 3, so it is not an example for binomial, right? It is not an example for binomial. Next, xy plus y plus z, how many terms are coming? 3 terms, so this is also not an example for binomial. Now let us see this example. xy plus 2xy plus 3. By looking you can see that three terms are there, but what is the term here? xy and 2xy, both are like terms. In such cases, if the question is asked for whether to check whether it is a monomial or binomial, means such questions we should simplify this one. That means numerical coefficient we should add, because 1xy plus 2xy, so totally 3xy plus 3. So how many terms after the simplification we are getting? Two terms. So this is an example for binomial. So such questions you can understand when we will do the addition and subtractions. How to add like terms, how to subtract like terms, we will come to know that one. So now just an understanding purpose, if you are having any like terms, you should simplify and write whether it is a binomial or a trinomial or monomial, like that. One more example I will do. What is that one? 4mn plus 3mn plus 1. So by looking how many terms are there? 3 terms. But if you consider this one, 4mn and 3mn, variables are same, so both are like terms. So mn I can write, the numerical coefficient should be added, 4 and 3. It is 7mn plus 1. So how many terms now? 2 terms. So it is also an example for binomial. Next, an expression which contains 3 terms. One term means monomial, 2 terms means binomial. Now 3 terms, it is called a trinomial. So what are the examples we can see? AB plus A plus C. How many terms? First term, second term, third term. So it's an example for trinomial. Another example, XY plus 5 plus x square. How many terms? 3 terms. It is also an example for trinomial. 4m minus 7n plus 10. First term, second term, third term, and now like terms also you can see the, so it is 3 terms. It's an example for trinomial. 4mn plus 5m plus 8n. Again 3 terms are there. This is also an example for trinomial. Now let us check the another example. X plus 5 plus x. So by looking, three terms are there, but x and x are like terms. So what is the coefficient here? 1. Here also 1. So after simplification, 1 plus 1, 2. 2x plus 5. It is not an example for binomial. First it was 3 terms, but you have to do simplification because of the like terms. So it's an example for binomial only, not a trinomial. It's not a trinomial. Okay. Another example, y plus 3 plus 4y. Again 4y and 1y. What is the answer? 5y plus 3. So how many terms you are getting? You are getting 2 terms. So again it is not a trinomial. Got? So in algebraic expression, if we are having only one term, then it is called a monomial. We have 2 terms, then we call it as a binomial. If it is 3 terms, then we can call it as a trinomial. In general, what we can call an expression with one or more terms is called a polynomial only. One or more terms is called a polynomial. Thus, a monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomials only, because the definition of polynomial means an expression with one or more terms. We learned that one term means monomial, 2 terms means binomial, 3 terms means trinomial. So, binomial, trinomial, monomial, all are comes under which category? Polynomials only. But specifically, when there is only one term, we call them as a monomial, right? When there is a 2 terms, we call it as a binomial. When there are 3 terms, then we call it as a trinomial. Even if all are polynomials only. Specifically for the first 3 cases, they had given the specific names. So general category, it is all called as a polynomials only. Let us continue exercise 12.1 now. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operation. Subtraction of z from y. So from y means y should return first. Y minus z. Y subtraction shows subtraction sign z. Y minus z. 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. Sum of the numbers x and y means x plus y. 1/2 of means which sign? Multiplication. So what we should write? Half into x plus y. X plus y should be put in bracket because otherwise it's wrong only. Just if you write half of x means it is wrong only. Half of the sum of numbers x plus y. So x plus y should be in bracket. The number z multiplied by itself means what? Z into z means what? Z square. 1/4, 1/4. Product of numbers pq. P into Q. 1/4 into P and Q. That is 1/4 into PQ. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Both squared means x also squared, y also squared. X square, y square. And added. So in between what is the sign? Plus. Number 5 is added to 3 times the product of the numbers m and n. So the number 5 means 5 plus, added means plus, 3 times 3 into the product of multiplication m into n. This if you want to write 3mn plus 5, then also it is correct only, right? Okay, next, product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So 10 should be written first. From 10 only we are doing the subtraction. So 10 minus yz. Next, sum of the numbers a and b subtracted from their product. Sum of the numbers means a plus b subtracted from their product. Product means ab. So ab minus a plus b. See, since minus sign is there, we should put bracket only because 2 terms are there involved in the bracket. So once again the answers y minus z, half into x plus y, z square, 1/4 pq, x square plus y square, 5 plus 3mn, 10 minus yz, and ab minus a plus b. Identify the terms and the factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram also. So x minus 3 is the expression. So we have done already in the example questions like this, but for this question x minus 3, x and minus 3 are terms as well as factors. So factors we cannot further simplify. Further we cannot simplify these terms. So terms and factors are same here only, x and minus 3. Now what is the second question? 1 plus x square. What should be written right side or left side? We can write expression. What is the next step? 1x square, that is terms. 1 and x in the least form. Further we cannot simplify it, but x square should be written as x and x, that is factors. Now next question is y minus y cube. Y minus y cube is expression. Y and minus y cube are terms. Then minus y cube can be written as minus 1 into y into y into y. Now the next question, 5xy square plus 7x square y. So what is the expression here? 5xy square, no x square is there, 5xy square plus 7x square y. So terms are 5xy square plus 7x square y. So factors 5xy 7xxy. So that is factors. Further we cannot simplify this. So the factors are 5xyy 7xxy. So the first one is expression, second one is terms, then factors we got for this question. Now what is the next question? Minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Minus ab plus 2b minus 3a square is our expression only. What are the factors for the terms for this one? Minus ab is the first term, 2b square is the second term. Okay, minus 3a square is the third term. Minus ab to be written as minus 1a and b as factors. 2b square can be written as 2 into b into b. Again minus 3a square is minus 3a a2 square means a square means a into a. So minus 3 also we can write as, somebody wants to write minus 1 into 3 also they can write, it is correct only. So once again expression, terms, factors. So tree diagram already we learned in the examples, same as only this exercise also you have to do. And the second part of the question, let us see now. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Expression is minus 4x plus 5. So terms, factors I have written separate columns. So you can see that minus 4x plus 5, minus 4x is the first term, 5 is the second term. So minus 4x, what are the factors? Minus 4 comma x and 5. Previous question and this question, what is the difference? So the previous part they have told to tree diagram, here nothing is told. So directly you can draw the table and complete it fast. What is the second term? Minus 4x plus 5y. So minus 4x is the first term, 5y is the second term, one below the other we will write. And minus 4x, what is the factor? Minus 4 comma x. 5y, what is the factor? 5 into y. Similarly the third question, 5y plus 3y square. So the terms are 5y 3y square. Factors 5 comma y 3y comma y. Similarly xy plus 2x square y square. Xy is the first factor and 2x square y square is the second term. Sorry, xy is the first term, 2x square y square is the second term, and xy factors are x comma y. 2x square y square is 2 comma x comma x comma y. Next, what is the question? pq plus q. So first term is pq, second term is q, and the factors are p comma q, and respectively q is alone only there. 1.2 ab comma minus 2.4 ab plus 3.6a. 1.2 ab minus 24b 3.6a are the three different terms, and the factors are 1.2 comma a comma b minus 2.4 comma b 3.6 comma a. Then 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. What are the terms? 3 by 4x and 1 by 4. What are the factors? 3 by 4 comma x, 1 by 4 only there, so 1 by 4 is the factor also. 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. What are the terms? 0.1 p square, 0.2 q square. What are the factors for this one? 0.1 the numerical coefficient comma p square is p comma p, and 0.2 q square is factors are 0.2 q comma q. For this we are winding up today's class. Thank you.